Oh yeah, man, check that out. I made the wrong size. It doesn't fit. But I got it plugged in. Ran my 220 all the way up and over. So now I can plug my servers in, or mining hardware. Probably servers. I do have this on a 30 amp circuit though, so if I want to do some mining, I can do that as well. Then I realized that the plug I have is an L620, not an L630, so that won't fit either. It's too small, so she said. So what did I do? I got same day delivery on Amazon because that's a thing now. Yeah, I can do that out here. Georgia, it would be like 3 days. So I can go from here down to here in the UPS and get all this powered on. If only the fucking Xfinity router would go into bridge mode and allow for a public IPv4 across the entire stack. Yeah, Xfinity sucks balls. Just saying.